You've been sleeping badly for years, maybe decades. You've tried everything you can think of supplements, including magnesium, sleep hygiene, maybe even medication. You're still waking up in the middle of the night or lying there for hours unable to fall asleep. And nobody has given you a real answer why. I'm Martha Lewis, functional sleep consultant, and I run comprehensive lab testing on every single client I work with. One of the things I test for that almost no other practitioner is looking for is heavy metal toxicity. Metals like uranium, mercury, cadmium, arsenic accumulate in the body silently over years and can completely wreck your sleep over time. I'm going to walk you through exactly what heavy metals do to your sleep, where they're coming from, and what to do about it. And I'll share a client story along the way that illustrates exactly why this test matters. My client Lori had been dealing with sleep issues off and on for 20 years. And the last 3 years before we started working together, they had gotten really severe, where she was only averaging 17 hours a week. So that's about 2.5 hours a night. But some nights she was sleeping 1 hour, some nights she was sleeping 5 hours. It was just all over the place. Sometimes she couldn't fall asleep. Sometimes she woke at 2 a.m. and never went back to sleep. She tried everything, medications like Ambien, a grounding mat, a weighted blanket, yoga nidra, hypnosis, red light, sleep hygiene, so many different things. She found my podcast after she tried hypnosis that did nothing. And she thought there's got to be a podcast for this. So she signed up for my complete sleep solution program. We ran full testing and she was convinced it would be hormones because her sleep issues really started around menopause. But when her results came back, one of the biggest findings was uranium through the roof. The uranium was really a shock to her because she drank filtered water and cared a lot about her health. So she knew all of the right things to do. So this is why something that has nothing to do with stress or habits can be the reason why you can't sleep. Heavy metals accumulate in the brain, which can cause neurological symptoms like anxiety and insomnia. They accumulate in the liver, which can lead to waking up at night because the liver is most active then. And they can accumulate in the bones and the kidneys. If the body can't get rid of them when it's exposed, then they start accumulating and cause damage to lots of different organs over time. So they're not meant to be in the body. They cause inflammation, they disrupt our hormones, they damage the gut. There's also a connection to gut health and certain bacteria that can live in the gut called H. pylori. The body can sometimes hold on to this bacteria as partial protection against heavy metals. So it can be really hard to clear gut infections if heavy metals aren't addressed first. And heavy metals are stored in the fat as a protective mechanism. So this can also make it hard to lose weight because your body wants to hold on to the fat to keep those heavy metals safely stored away. You could be getting exposed to heavy metals right now without even knowing it. So we get mercury from dental fillings and from eating large fish, especially tuna. Aluminum can be in tap water, in aluminum cookware, in aluminum foil, in cans, and in antiperspirant. We get arsenic from tap water and brown rice, especially if it isn't organic. We can get cadmium from marijuana. It's usually in the soil where marijuana is grown. We get uranium from tap and well water and even from root vegetables. So it's really elevated, particularly in mountainous regions. So like my client Lori had a home in Santa Fe, which was where she was getting exposed. And it's commonly in the Rocky Mountains. So I live in Jackson, Wyoming, by the Tetons. And so I also had high uranium when I did the hair tissue mineral analysis test too. Copper is a necessary mineral, but it also can become toxic in high amounts. And so we can get copper from especially women taking birth control, drinking water from copper pipes, vegetarian and vegan diets, which tend to be low in zinc and higher in copper, and from chlorinated swimming pools. Fixing your minerals is actually the key to getting rid of heavy metals. So mineral deficiencies invite heavy metals in because these heavy metals can do some of the functions of minerals, even though they're toxic to the body. So for example, cadmium fills in for zinc. It does 20 to 30% of its functions, but it's carcinogenic. This is why my approach is always working on balancing the minerals first. I don't ever recommend aggressive chelation. So when we work on balancing what are called the primary minerals, which are calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium, then when the body gets more imbalance and it's ready, it will start releasing metals on its own. And then we can support the body with binders as it does that so that those metals are pulled safely from the body. Most practitioners aren't looking at heavy metals, and so they miss this root cause of sleep issues entirely. This is why I run a hair tissue mineral analysis on every client. It shows both mineral imbalances, which I talked about in the last video, and heavy metal burden. And again, my approach is to work on balancing the minerals first, add a binder to catch the metals as they move out of the body, and do what we can to minimize the sources of exposure that you might have to certain metals. If Lori's story sounded familiar, you tried everything, nobody has found the real answer, the sleep mineral analysis might be exactly what you need. It's the hair tissue mineral analysis that you do at home that looks at both your mineral patterns and your heavy metal burden. This is the same test that I run on every single client. And I am now offering this as a standalone way to test your minerals and heavy metals to find a primary root cause of sleep issues. You'll get access to the test as soon as you sign up. You'll also get my Sleep Essentials program to start supporting your sleep right away. And you'll get a video walking you through what your results mean and what I recommend for the different mineral patterns that show up on the test. If uranium in the water could be what's keeping Lori awake for 20 years, imagine what your test might reveal. So right now during launch, this test with everything included is just $199. The link is in the description so you can go find out what's actually going on in your body. Now back to my client, Lori. Uranium was traced to the water at her Santa Fe home. She tested it and confirmed. Her husband actually tested negative for uranium. So that means that his body was able to clear it, but her liver wasn't able to at the time. So I help support her liver as well so that when she's exposed in the future, her liver can get rid of it. And we supported gut health so that there weren't any pathogens that were preventing her body from being able to get rid of heavy metals. She got a reverse osmosis filter at that house. We worked on balancing her minerals. We tackled her gut and her hormones at the same time. She went from 2.5 hours a night on average to 7 to 8 hours a night. She got back to sleeping in the same bedroom as her husband, traveling, going to plays. She said, I have a life again. So if you've done gut work, hormone work, and you're still not sleeping, this could be the missing piece. And you can learn more about the sleep mineral analysis in this next video.